Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Onyx Professional LED makeup mirror. Looks like this. I got it from Walmart a couple days ago, a couple weeks ago. I don't remember the price. How much was it? I don't remember the price. I'll look it up later and most likely add it down below in the description box. So this LED makeup mirror is 180-degree rotation, convenient storage space, touch activation, dimmable lights, and battery powered. I also saw on YouTube or Instagram that I like to look at reviews online before actually buying an item. But I saw this a couple months ago and I really wanted one, especially for traveling. So I don't have to carry, you know what I mean? So I don't have to like carry another compactable mirror that's so small that I have to like struggle with it. And this actually has lights, like LED lights, and I love LED lighting. Those yellow lights are a no-no for me, like period. So, oh, I love this. And then it says, "Hello, beautiful." And I love it. So far, I haven't opened it yet, and I love it. It opens in 3 ways. And I bought it in color black. I wish it was in pink. I would have bought it in pink. But this is actually the last one I saw. That's what I remember. So let's go ahead and open it. Wow. It comes in like this. Maybe I should put it together on camera. See how it goes, because I've always wanted one of these. Like for real, for real. And I remember I went home last week and my room was painted a different color. And it was painted like a darker color than I'm used to. And then I was like, I couldn't do my makeup because the lighting of a room or the color of a room like affects how you do your makeup or how you do certain things. Like the walls were, I think, orange. Yeah, they were orange. And it was hard for me to do my makeup, so I had to do my makeup in the bathroom because the walls are white in the bathroom with the white lights. And I could see everything on my face. Like, everything. So, I don't know how to open this. My first time opening it. Okay. Comes in like this. Magnification level times 2. This one says times 3. The center mirror. There's a mirror on this side. I wonder where's the plastic for it. Oh, it's right there. In the back it comes with the on and off switch. I have to put batteries in it. I will do that in a video. And it's also a stand. So let's see. Sierra, don't drop this. Click. Okay. Oh, I love it. And then it's suitable for travel, so I could like fold it and put it in my suitcase when I go to and from home. Oh, I love it. I don't like the screeching noise, just, oh my gosh. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put AAA batteries in it, if I can find where I put it. I got these batteries a while ago from City Trends because Walmart apparently ran out of batteries. Not a couple of weeks ago, a couple of months ago. It needs 4. That's a lot of batteries. But then I also could plug it in with a wall charger. So then I won't always have to use the batteries, but currently I have batteries, so. And then some chargers aren't that long, but I currently use 10-foot chargers. I get it from Five Below. They're amazing. They're like, you don't have to like go by the wall. Like, be like right by the wall. You just have it on your bed. The charger will be across the room. You know what I mean? I love this mirror so far. The batteries are in. Like I said, I love doing my makeup with amazing, like, white lights. And it's just, like, way better for me. I can actually see what I'm doing on my face. Like, eyebrows. And I love doing my makeup. The batteries are in. Let's see how this goes. It's bright. Look how bright it is. I actually have an LED light on my phone. I got that from Five Below for $5. I love this. And it actually has a stand you could put like let me turn this off. And it also has a stand right here. You could put your brushes and stuff so it won't be scattered. I love this. I like that 2 times and 3 times. So when you do your eyebrows, it's like you can actually see everything. Oh my gosh. Let me see something. It comes with a USB cord. And the mirror also bends in different ways. It goes 180 degrees. It can turn. Don't want to break it. And it turns. I love it. I love it. Oh, let me see something. It closes from the top. And I love it. I want to see what else it does. You know, when I'm recording videos, it'll be such amazing lighting. Like, and it says press and hold lighting button to adjust the brightness. I'm gonna press and hold the button. It says press and hold. Oh, I see it. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera because I'm currently recording on my phone. It says press and hold the button to adjust brightness. So this is one. And it goes brighter. I can see it. I don't know if you can see it on camera. I love it. And it's really bright. You can do any location you want. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna see how bright it goes. I'm so excited. it goes dark. You can see the lighting change in the background of how it hits the wall in the back. Because you can't really see it on camera. This is how it is dim. And then when I hold it, it just goes brighter. You'll see. I love it. I'm so excited. So yeah. I love this new mirror. My new mirror. I'll be using it every day. Especially for traveling. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So yeah. So this was my unboxing of my LED makeup mirror from Onyx Professional. The color's in black. It's 180 rotation. Touch activation. A MAC, and I love it. And in the back of the box it says, your makeup mirror takes up too much space, doesn't it? Has it become annoying? Yes. Yes, it has. No more giant bases taking up all of your counter space. No more cords crossing your sink. Or a tri-fold design allows. Our tri-fold design Y'all, I'm like stuttering. Y'all, I'm tired. I'm a college student. Some of you understand. I haven't slept. I'm tired. This amazing design provides a wide mirror to allow for the entire face to be in view all at once. With insert mirrors of both 2 times and 3 times magnification to allow focus on certain areas. The dimmable LED lights will never have you straining your eyes. I wear glasses. I'm always straining my eyes to see again, while also providing the natural light you need. Natural, important for videos, YouTube videos, makeup videos. The space saving base allows for you to never use track of beauty products. So it's so true. I'm like, so yeah. I love it. So thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and subscribe. I'll be down this way or this way. Follow my Instagram, Sierra Robin, CIERRAROBYN. My Twitter, the same thing, CIERRAROBYN. And the same with my Snapchat. Talk to you guys later.